So Reliance at its annual general meeting in July announced the JioPhone 2 that would run WhatsApp and Facebook, and it said that JioPhone 1 will also be getting WhatsApp. Now finally WhatsApp has arrived on the JioPhone. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at how you can install WhatsApp on the JioPhone. First of all, you need to make sure that your JioPhone is running the latest KaiOS version. To check that, go in the settings menu and scroll to the second last option, device. Then in the device information tab, you'll see the KaiOS version. So your phone should be updated to the latest KaiOS 2.5. If not, you will see an error message and that will prompt you to install the latest KaiOS. Reliance just recently updated its JioPhone from KaiOS 2.0 to 2.5. So if you are right now unable to install WhatsApp, this may be the problem. Once you have the latest KaiOS, go to the Jio store. In that, scroll to the bottom and you will find WhatsApp. As soon as you click on the app will get installed. Rest all the functions are very similar to what you see on your regular phone. You need to agree to the privacy policy, enter your mobile number. As soon as you do that, you'll be asked to enter the OTP that was sent on the mobile number you were using. So let me punch in the code. As soon as it is verified, you will be asked to set up your WhatsApp profile like you do on a regular smartphone. So the Jio edition of WhatsApp has a very basic layout. You'll see there's a search bar at the top to search all through the contacts. There's the new chat option that allows you to select one of the contacts to send the message to, or you can also add a new group. You can also create new group, which is quite nice. In the options menu, you can add a new contact or reload contacts in case you have added a new contact and it's not appearing here. And you can also mute the conversation, which means that you won't be receiving any notifications. Then in the account option, you can make several changes also. In the last seen option, you can change it to my contacts or nobody, which is a feature available on the main app. And then there's the option to secure your photo from being viewed by everyone else. And then there are the blue tick and the double tick option that you can disable from the menu. Next, you can select the contact you need to send the message to, and there will be three options appearing there. A more, voice and options menu. So in the more option, you can send picture or send video. In the options menu, you get to view the contact, which allows you to see the profile of the person. And when you view the contact, there are options to block the contact or report it as spam. So these are the usual options that are available on the JioPhone's WhatsApp. So most of the major features that you get on the main app are available on the JioPhone. Yes, there are some of the things missing, like you cannot add the status option, which allows you to add your photo and text that will appear in the status option. And then there's the video or audio call option that is also not available right now on the Jio app. Do let us know what you think about the latest update on this JioPhone in the comment section below. And also, if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.